let's make some cornbread. It's so simple and so easy. You're gonna be doing this all the time. So first into my bowl is some all-purpose flour. And then I have some sugar, because of course we wanna make sure it's nice and sweet. So equal parts flour, sugar, and cornmeal, right? You can use yellow or you could use white cornmeal. It's completely up to you, but whatever you use, get it in there, all right? To that, I've got some baking powder, and that's gonna round out my ingredients, the dry ingredients for the cornbread. All right, let's give that a good mix just to make sure it's nice and combined. Now, for the wet ingredients, I'm gonna start by just cracking 2 eggs right into here. We're just gonna bust up those eggs in here. And then to that, I'm gonna add a really great secret ingredient, and that's buttermilk. Shake it up first. I'm gonna pour in some buttermilk. All right, and then let's give that a stir just to make sure it's all combined. And then right along with this, just gonna finish by adding melted butter that I melted. I'm just gonna stir that. This is what makes a really good cornbread. Plenty of butter. Now I'll tell you what I like to do. I have a skillet in the oven. It's nice and hot now. That's what you want. Oven's at 375 degrees, and you really kind of want to make sure as soon as you put the cornbread into that skillet, it starts to form that crust and it starts to bubble. So that's what we're going for. All right, here's that super hot skillet. See what's happening? It starts to form that little crust around the edge because that skillet is nice and warm. That's what you want to see, right? Now, right back off into a hot oven to cook up. You know what time it is. But this is good here, okay? And then look at this cornbread. Look at that cornbread right there. Let me taste this. This is the Sunday that I remember. The cornbread, if I didn't know any better, I would think it was cake, okay? I'm gonna finish eating this. So good. Sundays will always be a special day. From the excitement of getting dressed for church, to the hugs and the kisses and the displays of love. It is this love that transcends. It is this love that carries us. It is this love that inspires us. My hope is that this will inspire you to cook your best life and enjoy it with the people who are the most special to you. Now, the recipes will be available on the Darius Cooks Plus app. You can go and download it right now. There are 2 things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I have to wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours.